Hey everyone, Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. Today I'm talking about the Wolf Dual Stack Burner, what it is and some of the benefits are, okay? So when we're talking about this dual stack burner, picture two burners, one on top of the other, really creating that gas airflow to really, once we go to high, we're gonna get that high BTU to boil sauces, really pan sear and get that high look, but it gives us the industry low too, which is huge and versatile. So once we go down to low, we'll push the knob in again and get to that extra low. That's that bottom ring. That's really gonna heat up your red sauce, do your Alfredo, really keep chocolate on the burner without scorching it or overcooking things. This is ideal to keep chili or a soup or even just to hold a tea kettle warm. So think about all those aspects, of the dual stack burner. The fact that we can go to that industry high, that high boil and sear, we can go to that industry low as well to hold those delicate soups and sauces. Thank you.